Okay, in this assignment we're talking about properties of logarithms and how we can use those properties to help us evaluate things. And so the first thing, they give us some information. They say, okay, if you know that the log of 4, or log base 10 of 4 equals 0.602 and the log of 7 equals 0.845, then find the log of 28. Well, isn't the log of 28 the same thing as log of 7 times 4? And can't we write that when we expand that? We can expand that out. So since 7 times 4 is 28, log of 7 plus log of 4, that's one of those properties. And so you literally can take 0.602 plus 0.845 and add them together, and you've got your answer. All right, log of 49, well, isn't that 7 squared? And then doesn't the property of logarithms say we can bring the 2 out front? And so then it's just 2 times 0.602. And you get that number, all right? So we're using the properties. We're saying, 28 is the same thing as 7 times 4. 49, that's the same thing as 7 squared. And then we use the properties to come up with those answers, all right? Here, they actually want you to use the properties to expand this. Well, anything that's being multiplied together can be separated with plus signs. So this is the same thing as log base 3 of 3 plus log base 3 of x. Here, division equates to subtraction, doesn't it? So it's log base 2 of x squared minus log base 2 of 4, and we can go one step further, and we can bring that 2 down in front, and there you go. All right, that's how you expand using the properties. Then they want you to condense them. Well, let's go the other way. This is a plus, and this is a plus, so that means all of these 3 things are going to be multiplied together. You don't care about a TV wall mount, do you? No, you don't. So this is going to be log base 3 of 4 times 2 times 2, which is log base 3 of 16. Okay? Now down here, let's bring this back to its exponential point, and this will be this one. It'll be the 3 times that, but then it's going to be divided by, because there's a minus sign, 5. So it's going to be log 3x, and I'm just going to go 3 radical x over 5, because x to the 1/2 means square root, doesn't it? Okay? And the last part of this assignment that you need to know is the change of base formula. The change of base formula is good because we can use a calculator to evaluate logarithms if it's a log base 10 or a log base e, which is also known as the natural log. But this problem right here doesn't have either one of those. It has a log base 7. Well, the change of base formula says that you can use these 2 numbers and you can set up this little formula. Log 12 over log 7, and that will give you the answer. And since I can use any base I want to, so what base did I use? Well, I used 10. Why? So that I can plug it into my calculator. And then I literally do log of 12 divided by log of 7, and I get 1.277. Okay? Get away. All right? Down here, log base 2.2 of 22, well, that's going to be log of 22 over log of 2.2. Again, could have used any base that I wanted to here, but I chose 10 because that can go in my calculator. Log 22 divided by log 2.2, and that comes out to be 3.92. Okay? Hopefully that'll help you with assignment 6.6.